We really know a lot. As educators, we know a lot already about how people learn. We know that people learn best when learning is an active process. And when it challenges us, when we really, as learners, we get stretched, that the process of education is really pushing us to learn and to do things that are difficult. And this is nothing new. We have known this.
And to be model, we can see the gap, and at least from data perspective. So in order to achieve something within this gap, to solve this gap, we need to do some kind of transformation. And the way we see this transformation is the AI. Our claim here is we can use AI techniques and theories in order to make this kind of jump and transform our situation from now until achieving the whole SDG goals that we have been set for all of us. So, to understand this, what does AI mean?
To give information, let's say if A, then B. This is called knowledge. All right, knowledge is an information that makes you able to generate more information. Because if you mix knowledge and information, you will get new information. All right, so this is data. So what's data science? Actually,
Quid is like a next generation search engine that uses artificial intelligence to read, understand, and organize text information so that we as humans don't have to, and so that we can spend our time doing higher value activities like executing and implementing.
Achieving the Sustainable Development Goals has become the major issue for all governments aiming to achieve this goal by 2030. The World Association for Sustainable Development is launching a major initiative which will help countries to achieve these goals, which involve policy making, helping countries how to understand, to make the necessary or to formulate the necessary policies to achieve these goals. This will involve training, it will involve intervention, it will involve lots of issues relating to the general idea about the goals and also about countries' specific needs. One example we always give to countries, we will say to them, did you understand how these goals have been formulated? Did you understand the methodology upon which the United Nations launched these goals? So we will aim in this initiative to help countries understand the structure, the methodology and the procedure, the targets, and so on and so forth. We have an excellent team of international experts from all over the world, which we are very proud to mention them. They are all in the website. We so far have put forward around 40 to 50 experts from all over the world, from Mexico, from Philippines, from the United Kingdom, from the USA, from Nigeria, South Africa, Egypt, Bahrain, all over the world. What is so unique about this program, and we hope we will find the opportunity to launch it in different regions of the world, is that we will talk to governments and give them the opportunity to choose and select the experts they would like them to be involved in their own initiative. For example, a country, for example, which is depending mainly on agriculture, they might choose to have one of our expertise from the Royal Agricultural University, our leading partners in this initiative. Or maybe a country which is very keen on people on transportation and engineering, they might choose one of our experts in this area, and so on and so forth. So even the delivery of these trainings and these programs, we will consult and discuss directly with governments. So we look forward to be given the opportunity to implement these programs across the world. Please look at our website and you will find more details, and you can also approach us through different means, emails, telephone, and discuss with us how we can be in a position to help you achieve these goals. Thank you.
remember, if we all help and do a little bit, it will make a big difference.